Hi guys, B-Tech here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to run Android on Windows 11 without any emulator. For this I'm using my older i5 3rd Gen laptop which is not officially supported Windows 11. But even on this it works perfectly fine. Before we start the video I want to mention that Windows 11 is installed on SSD in this device. Maybe in hard drive this won't work well as this. So without any time waste let's begin the video. So the first thing you want to do is enable Virtual Machine Platform on your device. For that go to Control Panel, Program and Features, turn Windows features on or off, and from there enable Virtual Machine Platform. Sometimes this may enabled on default. If not you will have to enable it like this. And also you need virtualization enabled from the BIOS for this. Now press OK. This will prompt to restart your PC to apply setting. So select Restart Now. This may take a while. As you can see now I have enabled the virtual machine platform. So let's move to next step. Now go to Device Settings, Privacy and Policy for developers, and from there enable Developer Mode. Press Yes and that's it to make device compatible for Android. And now you have to download these 3 files to get Android in Windows 11. I will leave the links in the description. Download the files from there. After that extract these 2 files like this. I have already extracted them so I will leave this. Now after extracting first install the ADB setup. Press Y and press Enter for these 3 questions to install ADB drivers to your device. Now move the extracted WSA file to any partition of your SSD. In my case I have only one SSD partition, which is local disk C, so I will move it to that. Now what you have to do is copy the kernel file to your WSA files main directory. For that just drag and drop the kernel file. After that open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Type CD and copy the path of WSA file where you have located. Press Ctrl+C to copy the path and press Ctrl+V to paste the path to the PowerShell. Now hit Enter. After that, paste this code and hit enter. I will leave it on the screen and also in the description as well. Now the main process is done. Now if you open the Start menu, you can see new application called Windows Subsystem for Android. Open it. From here, enable Developer Mode and click on the Files menu. Select Continue from here. Now let the system to be prepared. This may take a while. After all, you can now see the Android file manager. This means you have successfully installed Android in Windows 11. Now if you go to Start menu, you can see there is Play Store. Select it. This will prompt you to sign in, but the sign-in won't work. So to enable sign-in, you will have to do a workaround. This is why we install ADB earlier. Follow these steps to enable sign-in. Now go to local disk C, and if you installed ADB drivers, just write there should be a folder called ADB. Open it. Now click on ADB file to initialize. This is not mandatory. Now type cmd on location bar. This will open a command prompt in your folder. Open up the Windows Subsystem for Android application. There will be a section called IP address. Copy it. Now in cmd type ADB connect, and paste the IP address of which you have copied, and hit enter. Now type these commands in command prompt. I will leave these in description as well, but you should copy these one by one and hit enter. After all done, close the command prompt. Now open Play Store again and click Sign In. As you can see now, you can sign in without an issue. Use your email and password and log in. By the way, if you guys find this video informative, please help me by subscribing. After sign in, it will perform like a normal Android device. Here I will show you guys device info. Let's download IDA64. If we go to System Information, it will show up as Google Pixel 5. This will show up to any device. But if we head down to CPU, it will show up your device's real processor. In my case, it's Intel Core i5 3230M. It's same as in my task manager. And also, I forgot to mention, this is Android 11 as well. The performance is pretty good, even this is an older device. Normally this won't take this much processing power. This is my screen capturing software taking all the resources. And I want to mention that this is not always be stable though. Sometimes it tends to crash. Keeping the internet connection will resolve most of this unexpected crashes.